Right, we're at the Broadfield Community Centre here on Creasy's Drive. And we're at the Millie event, which is a brilliant event. The sun is shining, and so it should be. And we're also joined by Mayor Lee Burke. Hi, Lee. How are you doing?
Good, thank you.
Good, good. Now, over 600 people have come through this door, Lee, on a day like today to help raise money for Millie, who, as some people may not know, needs special proton treatment in America for a brain tumour. Now, you've come down in support. What do you think of the day?
It's a superb day, and it's excellent to see, like you say, over 600 people have come through the gate today to help support Millie. And the weather is beautiful, and it just shows what a superb community spirit we have here in Crawley.
Yeah, now the people that arranged this, they've never done anything like this before. I mean, what a great success. They've done very well, haven't they?
They have done extremely well, and they should all be extremely proud of what they've achieved, and we can send Millie off on her way to the States to get this treatment, and she'll be looked after. It's good.
Yeah, I think you'll join us in wishing Millie and her family all the best, I'm sure.
Very much so, very much so. Wish her all the best for the future, and that the treatment goes well.
Yeah, so do we. Well, thank you very much for coming here today,
Thank
Lee.
you.
Well, we're still at the Millie event, and we're joined by Millie's mum, and that's Emma Vaughan. Hello, Emma. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
You look amazing.
Thank you.
And what a day.
Beautiful.
It's lovely.
Couldn't have wished for better. Absolutely perfect.
Sun shining just for Millie today.
Yep, I think so.
And everybody's all dressed up, and you 600 and odd people through the door already.
Yep, at least. Absolutely amazing.
Yeah.
Whether we'd have had the support if it had been raining, perhaps not. So thank God for the sun.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah,
and of course, you've got Mayor Lee Burke here with us today as well.
Yep.
Lee's come down, obviously, in support of the Millie Fun, or Millie's Journey, as you're calling it now. And you've got loads of things going on here. You've got bouncy castles. You've got a great little area for the kids to play up there as well. It's been really good, hasn't it?
Yeah, very good. I'm totally overwhelmed by it all. So yeah, excellent.
And people have helped you, like little Barry. We'll get Barry in now. Hello, Barry. How are you, sir?
Hi.
You all right?
Yep.
Now, you've done a lot helping out and getting the mayor here and lots of other events. Was it hard work?
It was hard work, but I've got a good team of girls behind me, so they've helped a lot.
Behind every successful man is a brilliant woman, isn't that what they say?
I'd say, yeah.
Now, has it turned out how you'd expected, or is this a little bit better than what you thought?
It's a lot better than we thought. The weather, great. Amount of people have turned up. We're over 750 now, so...
750
yeah.
now?
Yeah.
That's brilliant.
So, more people that come, it's great.
Yeah.
There's more events to come, so keep an eye out.
Yeah, no, that's excellent. Well, I'm really pleased for you all. I hope that lots of money's been raised.
Thank you.
You'll be going off soon, I believe, April time?
Mid-April we're off. We haven't got a date yet, but mid-April. But I would just like to say thank you to the whole of Crawley. Just totally amazing. The businesses and individuals that have helped us out.
Yeah.
I can't say a big enough thank you.
Yeah.
Amazing.
People say that Crawley doesn't have a community. Well, I think you proved them wrong today.
Very much so.
Yeah. Now, if anybody still wants to donate to the Millie's Journey, as you call it, how would they do that, Emma?
We've got a website. It's www.millies-journey.co.uk, and there's a donate button on there.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Excellent. And of course, thanks to everybody that came today. Barry, you've done an amazing job.
Thanks for helping.
Thank you coming. Mayoress, how are you doing? And sir, thank you. And Emma, well done
Thank
for
you.
a brilliant day.
Thank you. Thanks very much. And thank you for that.
Thank you.